Hello everyone, it's Michael from MDO Video, and today I'm going to compare residential and commercial grade single pole light switches. Okay, so these are Pass and Seymour Legrand single pole light switches. One on the left is a 15 amp residential grade, one on the right is a 20 amp commercial grade. And the residential grade, I've got these throughout my house. You could see, alright, there it is. See the green's got the terminal, and this switch, if you look at that, it's starting to come apart. So, and these are, you can get these for like 75 cents. I mean, these things are cheap. And they're just regular old single pole light switch. I mean, every house in America's probably got 100 of these at least, or less. And you know, just a standard old light switch. Depending on how often you use it is going to depend how often you have to replace it. Sometimes 10 years, sometimes a year, sometimes 5 years. I've had them last a year or two and then had to replace them. But if they get used heavily, they're going to wear out and they're going to break. Now, this is a commercial grade light switch here. This is a 20 amp. This is what I would recommend using. I'm starting to use these ones more than those because first off, you've got a 15 amp light switch, and sometimes your lighting circuit it'll be on a 20 amp breaker, and I just don't think I don't think I would never put a 15 amp light switch on a 20 amp circuit. Because you have a short circuit, you got 20 amps and it's only rated to 15, and you can load a 20 amp circuit to 16 amps. So you're really cutting it close there. So what I would do, is like I'd use these commercial 20 amp switches. And these are heavy duty. And they are these are better quality than those other ones because you can just tell the difference. It's got bigger screws, the ground's on the bottom, and it's a lot more sturdy, rigid, and heavier duty. It's got self-grounding on it, but if you're in a residential setting, you'll have a plastic box. So, but these do cost a little bit more. That's about 75 cents. This is going to be about $1.98. It depends. I mean, you can go all the way up to $7 a piece for these things. It just depends. I mean, this is a 20 amp. They do make a 15 amp commercial one, but this one here, you can use this one on 120 or 277, and it is going to last probably longer on 120 because 277, that voltage will wear it out faster. But this is a good switch to use. So when you need to go replace your light switch, replace it with one of these because better value and better quality too, and a lot quieter. Listen to this one. So, and this one here actually is what sometimes they use in the hospitals, and they're actually the handle toggle on some of them is antimicrobial treated, so I guess it resists the bacteria or whatever. But so yeah, so that's why you should use commercial switches. Alright, thank you for watching. Have a nice day. Bye.